So what's my view on training for expert witnesses? I think it's really essential. I've been practicing as an expert witness for over 25 years now, and I've had training throughout my career. I found it really good in terms of honing my skills as an expert and really giving that evidence that the court needs from us. I would also recommend that experts actually do intermittent training, that they just don't do it as a one-off, but do it as a follow-up, just so they can continue to hone their skills.
Should experts be trained? Absolutely. It's a really critical element for them. It really levels the playing field for experts who are unfamiliar with going to court or what's required from a court report. They don't want to find that out in a real case where costs are quite high. Much better to get familiarised with the process, understand what the court is looking for, and be clear on their roles and duties and who their duty to is, which is the court.
I certainly think expert witness training is a good idea if it stays within the bounds of what's permissible. Obviously, expert witness training that focuses on clarity of delivery, how to best present the facts, the statistics, the information that the expert has derived is obviously to be encouraged. I think what people need to be careful of is that any expert witness training doesn't stray into impermissible areas, such as, for example, practicing or rehearsing evidence that may arise in a case that the expert is involved in.
So the role of an expert witness is quite different from that of a witness of fact. An expert is expected to give the court the benefit of a specialist knowledge that they have. And so two issues really arise. One is that experts can get into the weeds of their specialist knowledge. They can go into court and say things in very complex manners that's hard for the court to understand, and particularly in jury trials that can be difficult for a jury to understand. But the other issue that's arisen for years is the issue of expert witness independence. That experts, although they are expected to act as independent experts, because they tend to be retained by the legal team for one side rather than another, tend to sympathise with their own side and colour their reports and their evidence accordingly. So I think the benefit of expert witness training is to assist the expert in providing reports that are clear and easy for the court to understand, but also to re-emphasise the duty of independence.